From manufacturing and production to domestic consumption, electricity is needed. What has characterized Nigeria's electricity over the years is irregularity in its supply and what consumers describe as non-commensurate billing of consumptions.
When we have meter, they said they are no more reading meter. My meter is at home, they didn't read it. I didn't use a light for 1 year and they billed me. And I reported to them. They said I should go to Obanikoro, then Obanikoro to Emmanuel. So later now, when I started asking what was the problem, this and that, they said they have not get signal, so I should be paying a current charge.
There will be no light, and still at the end of the month, they still bring the bill. Even we have asked them to give us prepaid meter, that we can pay for it with our own money. But still yet, prepaid meter has not been provided, even up to today. As of recent, the one they brought last month, everybody was surprised, like, 25,000 naira for a month. For how many, not even flats, rooms.
With several directives from the Electricity Regulatory Commission that all distribution companies ensure their customers are metered, as against estimated billing method used, much seems not to have been achieved. Consumers believe the distribution companies use the estimated billing method to generate more revenue, and that for these, the end to estimated billing may not be near.
They bring bill anyhow, they not charge, they bring a bill anyhow. Sometimes for house they bring 15,000, 10,000. Myself, I'm asking, which meter tell them how much we use?
My husband has ordered for prepaid meter for the last 2 years, and we haven't seen it. My husband will pay like 100,000 down, that when we use it finish, he will pay another one. Within 3 months, that 100,000 might have vanished.
In another look, the huge amount billed to consumers contributes to the deficit the discos have and increased power theft cases. Most customers resort to paying only the amounts they can afford out of the monthly charges, which accumulates over time. This has implications.
So the fact that you don't pay what you're supposed to pay as at when due cripples the chain because there's no money to remit, and it goes as far as even the gas that will be generated into the electricity that you get in your respective homes. Now, we have also said that if you are not sure or if you are not comfortable with what you are being billed, it is easy for you to go to the nearest office, electric office within your area, and then make your complaint. Now, one or two things can happen. A load assessment of your house will be carried out to know how much to evaluate your appliances and actually determine how much load you use. In some cases, if you are currently on the bill, then you'll be billed appropriately. And if you have a bill, it will be adjusted accordingly.
The major challenges that is facing the downstream electricity sector today is efficiency of collection. The only device that can do that magic is metering. We must meter all consumer 100%. Once that one is done, then we can guarantee cost recovery of their investment on the upstream.
As much as the consumers want to understand with the discos, they also want bills that accurately represent their consumption, and the consensus is that every customer should be metered. How soon this is going to be realized is a question that the distribution companies have to answer. Seyifunmi Olatide, LTV News.